Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Compound, which I wanted to do a quick video on because some of you requested it. And at this point of time, it's been very bullish, as most of you will probably realize. But there's a lot going on in general. All right, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. We just hit a major resistance level at $50. Already found some resistance there as well over the course of the last 12 hours or so. But we also have, and I just showed you that on the daily time frame, we've also broken above the 200 EMA on the daily. So that's very bullish. So that's interesting. At least I find that interesting that we both are very bullish, and there's a massive resistance right now. So we'll talk about that in this video. Compound right now is manipulated. We've seen this before, like right here. So whether something like this is possible, we'll talk about that. That would obviously be ideal if you're holding Compound. Personally, I actually shorted Compound back in this rally, and then I did cash out at these bottoms. All right, so don't worry, I'm not short anymore. There's no short bias for me, but we'll just talk about it. All right, it's very difficult. It's probably manipulated by Wintermute or something, who usually dabble a lot in these cryptos, and we might actually, maybe we can actually check that out if they're actually transacting this right now. Wintermute right here. No, but they are dabbling in here. You can see Maker, which is also very bullish, GRT, Pepe, so they are probably manipulating these cryptos. QNT, CRV, Gala, they're also in, which is pretty crazy. I'm just seeing if we can quickly find Compound here. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do that. They transact a lot. LDO, which was also manipulated. Arbitrum, which was also, I mean, you kind of understand, right? So there's a lot of cryptos here that usually, you know, most of these cryptos are actually rallying right now. WLD. So Wintermute is doing something. I'm not saying that they're doing everything, but they're probably behind this. So, but we'll talk about everything. Before we dive into that, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, including if I take trades on Compound. But you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. If that sounds interesting, consider joining. But for now, onto Compound. So the big thing is that right now, I would say it's more bullish than bearish, even though on the daily, it's still bearish, all right? I would still, like I said, I would say it's more bullish than bearish, but it's also quite unpredictable. And that's for multiple reasons. First of all, the open interest and the volume right now are showing the first signs of some sort of a cool down, all right? So that they're cooling down, which means that there's less momentum and volatility. We just hit a major resistance level. And just in general, like this is the last Friday of the month, usually those are very volatile. All right, so Bitcoin right now is quite bullish. That's helping Compound. If Bitcoin crashes today, that's going to massively damage Compound. So I would say personally to just wait for bearish for confirmation. And confirmation can come in two ways. And this is really like, I don't have a bias. I don't have a prediction whether Compound will go up or go down. It's probably most likely that it will go up if it's manipulated. But the thing is that it will either break above $50, and if it's able to break above that and then hold it as support, Compound will rally higher, up to 55, 57 probably next. So that's a possibility. That's one confirmation. And the other confirmation is Compound will drop down towards $45, will drop down below $45, and then that's bearish confirmation, drop down towards 42 and 41. At this point of time, it's 50-50. Like if we're looking at all of the technicals, all of the fundamentals, it is 50-50. So wait for that confirmation and be careful, all right? Because you will not win against market makers. But that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.